Dialysis machines are life-saving technologies that play a critical role in managing kidney failure. They require expert management and timely repairs to function safely and effectively. To kickstart the medical equipment management series, the Oxygen Alliance invites you to a webinar titled Management and Technical Repairs of a Dialysis Machine, happening on Wednesday, 28th of May 2025, 4 p.m. Central African Time. This session will feature a presentation by an experienced biomedical engineer from Uganda who will take us through the key concepts including how dialysis machines work, preventive maintenance strategies, and common technical issues and repairs. You will be equipped with practical knowledge to enhance the performance, reliability, and safety of dialysis equipment. Don't miss out on this opportunity.